Hello, everybody. I hope you're having a great day. Right now it's around 2:20, and I feel compelled and I must speak about PayPal. Fair warning, I have a position in PayPal. It's mostly Leap options. And like most people, I am down on my PayPal investment. I started buying at low 60s, and right now PayPal is trading at around $56 a share. PayPal is actually only up 50% from all time from 2015. It's literally down 34% for the last 5 years, down 33% for the last year, 23% down for year to date, 8% down for the last 6 months. For the last month, we're about even. And believe it or not, for the last 5 days, we're actually up 4%. I know. It's really hard to see green. It's almost unimaginable to see green as a PayPal holder. PayPal is one of the best opportunities right now if you believe that PayPal is not dead and is just slowing down a little bit. You see, the price of PayPal today is the same price as PayPal was in 2017. And at the end of the day, in 2017, PayPal was bringing out about $14 billion worth of revenue, and PayPal in 2023 is bringing in around $30 billion of revenue. PayPal bought back $5 billion of shares last year. They're buying back $5 billion of shares this year, and they will be buying back $5 billion of share next year. They are a cash flow monster. They are a very serious company. The problem is, under the tutorship and leadership of Dan Schulman, who was the one and only CEO up until a month ago, since 2015, instead of focusing as being a payment processor, Dan Schulman started making a lot of needless and wasteful acquisitions. Not all of them, but a lot of them. In comes Alex Chriss. Now, Alex Chriss was a senior vice president in small businesses for Intuit. And in that small business, Intuit brought in over 50% of their revenue. So Alex Chriss is a really big deal. And Alex Chriss is a very young dude. He's a young CEO, and he has a lot of things to prove. If he can turn PayPal around, if he can turn this ship around, if he could pop that fucking U-turn and make this happen, he's going to go down as one of the best CEOs, turning PayPal around. You see, I and a lot of people in the PayPal community don't think PayPal is dead. We just think PayPal slowed down a little bit. And the last earnings was probably the best earnings I have ever heard. And a lot of people that have been covering PayPal for a lot longer than me said this was the best earnings that they heard in a very long time. In 2021, PayPal bought a company called Happy Returns. We're not sure exactly how much they spent, but they bought several companies that year, and they spent $500 million total. So let's say the maximum that they spent on Happy Returns is $500 million. Let's just say. Alex Chriss comes in, he's here for about 1 month, and he says, fuck this, I am going to focus on specifically what PayPal was needed to do. I am going to focus specifically on what PayPal does, and that's a payment processor. He ends up selling Happy Returns to UPS for like $760 million, and they have a profit of a couple to several $100 million. Not bad. On the last earnings, Alex Chriss says, we are going to change. We are going to be aggressive. We are going to focus on growth, and we have a lot of assets to make that happen. By assets, they probably mean the over 400 million users of PayPal. Over the last 5 years, around 70% of the United States population, as per PayPal's last earnings call, have used PayPal in some way, shape, or form, including Braintree, PayPal as you know it, Venmo, credit cards, so on and so forth. There is no reason why PayPal is a dead company. There is every single reason under the sun why PayPal can continue to grow. Like I said, in 2017, their revenue was $14 billion. And today, their revenue is more than double that. However, their price today is the same price that it was 6 years ago in 2017, and that is absolutely sad. One thing that Alex Chriss said is, we are shaking things up, we will be extremely aggressive, and I will be laser focused to grow this company. And since Alex Chriss took office, there have been 4 C-level, high-level executives that have been hired. He's essentially saying, if you ain't down, then get the fuck out. If you are not part of the plan, if you cannot get it done, I will find somebody that can get it done. Now, it seems like, which I'll show you in just a moment from the letter that I'm about to read you, literally in PayPal's investments relations, that PayPal is going to start doing something similar to an Amazon, something similar to a Google, where you have the PayPal umbrella and then you have smaller divisions under PayPal. One division is small business division. Very, very interesting. And they actually have a managing director of that, which I'm going to show you in just a moment. Right now, PayPal at $56 is giving some beautiful, beautiful leaps. You can even buy leaps for January 2026. Me personally, I have leaps for January 2025. I am down on those leaps around 70%. I do keep adding here and there to it. I'm just running out of money and I rather invest it in other types of stocks. I don't see PayPal going back to $300 a share, but I do see PayPal at $120 a share. Maybe $130 a share, even $110 a share, but definitely not where we are right now at $56 a share. And with Alex Chriss literally shaking everything up from the floor up, I have high hopes that PayPal will actually be a killer in 2024. Remember, being a killer in 2024 is not the same thing as being a killer in 2019, 2020, 2021, because we are so down. It's like we got bam, 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 uppercutted. We're literally on the floor and we just got to get up. That's all people got to do. They got to get up off of the canvas. Let me read you this news publication. Let me know in the comments down below what you think about PayPal. Are you invested in PayPal? Do you have shares? Do you have options? What do you think in general? Is PayPal dead? Is this a lost cause? Or do you think that it has another run up in the future? At the end of the day, they're buying back a shit ton of shares. And I think that has some value. I think the amount of cash flow that they have has some value. And I think the biggest value that they have is Alex Chriss, who was literally hired by the board to shake things up and get it done. And he is, quite frankly, on the floor freaking running. It was his first earnings. I'm looking forward to the next earnings. And more importantly, I'm looking forward to Q1 and Q2 of 2024. This is from PayPal's website. So November 1st, they had their earnings call, okay? On November 1st, they ended up hiring Jamie Miller as Chief Financial Officer. The day after earnings, they ended up hiring Archie Deskis as Chief Technology Officer. And then PayPal on the 15th, which was 2 days ago, announces executive leadership change. Some people know about this, some people don't. I'm going to read through all three of these, highly focusing on this new thing right here that really shakes PayPal up. Let's check this out. PayPal names Jamie Miller as Chief Financial Officer. It's very important to read through this because this is going to give you a lot of information on who they're hiring, where they came from, so on and so forth. Jamie Miller as Executive Vice President and Chief Financial Officer of PayPal effective November 6, 2023. She will be responsible for PayPal's financial strategies and lead the global finance organization, including planning, treasury tax, reporting, and investors relations. Miller will succeed Gabriela Rabinovich, who is currently acting CFO. I have a beef with Gabriela. Up until this entire year, they said that there was going to be an inflection point in Q4 of 2024. The inflection point was going to be that we were going to be losing transactional margins and we will start to even be neutral or positive. And then it comes out, no, I made a mistake. What I meant to say is that we're not going to be, that we're going to reduce the amount that we're losing in transactional fees. Listen, transactional fees is literally our Achilles heel. That's what's killing us because Braintree, which is our non-branded product, takes and a lot less profit than our branded product, which is PayPal, as you know it. So I really got pissed off and I almost sold out. But listen, at the end of the day, I made my bet. I got to sleep in it. Let's see what's going to happen in the next couple of quarters. I believe in Alex Chriss shaking things up. So let's see what's going to happen. So these letters are extremely important because they're going to explain to you who these people are and where they come from. 2 paragraphs. Jamie is an accomplished CFO and business executive who has worked across many industries and guided both public and private companies through dynamic environments and meaningful transformation during her impressive 33-year career. She brings a proven track record of driving strong financial results, instilling financial and operational discipline, and demonstrating inspirational leadership, said Alex Chris. And I quote, Jamie enters the role from a position of strength, and her insights and experience will be extremely valuable in helping PayPal to deliver profitable growth and operate with efficiency at scale and creative value for our shareholders. I am thrilled to welcome Jamie to PayPal. And then it's going to give you a little bit of a background of where they came from. Miller's most recently served as Global Chief Financial Officer of EY, which is Ernst & Young. They're a Big Four accounting firm. They're global. They're huge. Having joined to lead the separation of the IPO of its strategy, tax, and consulting business. Between January 2021 and January 2023, she served as CFO of Cargill, where she was responsible for all financial activities of the company and also assumed corporate strategy and business development responsible in April 2022. I could keep going, but there's no reason for that. You guys, get the point. This is one, I'll read you one quote. PayPal is a unique company that truly sits at the center of commerce, given its globally recognized brand and leading portfolio assets. I'm excited by the opportunity to join such an innovative company and play a meaningful role in charting the new chapter of PayPal's growth story. There is a tremendous growth potential in front of the company, and I look forward to the journey ahead. This is really, really, really important. There is tremendous growth potential in front of this company, and I look forward to the journey ahead. From your mouth to God's ears, that's extremely freaking important. If you could just give us the growth, PayPal is going to turn around. No reason why it can't be $100 stock. This is another one. Same deal. PayPal names Archie Deskis as Chief Technology Officer. Pay attention to this because I have a feeling that this guy is going to be in charge of smoothness and any crypto implementation. I'm a crypto bro. You guys know this from my other channel. They got their stable coin. This is a very big deal for the next bull run. They make a lot of money in, short-term investments through the money that they make from selling their USD coin, right? PayPal stable coin for USD. They take the USD, they do short-term investments, and you have a stable coin until you transfer back in. Very, very important. Archie Deskis to Executive Vice President, Chief Technology Officer at PayPal, effective immediately. In this role, it's not a he, I'm sorry, it's a she. She will oversee PayPal's global technology, engineering, and information organization, in addition to enabling PayPal's technology strategy, priorities, and data-driven operating model. Archie will lead the planning, management, delivery, and transformation of PayPal's technology stacks, system supports, and infrastructure. Deskis has served as PayPal's Executive Vice President, Chief Information Officer since March. So this is an internal promotion. PayPal has a significant opportunity to further evolve to operate as a platform company that builds company-wide capabilities, accelerates at scale, and drives efficiencies across the company. Fully unlocking this will accelerate innovative and improve our ability to seamlessly delight our customers end-to-end, said Alex Chris. Deskis joins PayPal from Intel, who served as a senior vice president as the CIO. As Intel's CIO, her organization capabilities on information technology to accelerate the company's significant growth goals across a diverse portfolio. I don't know if she did too good in Intel. Intel kind of suffering over here, but it is what it is. She also worked at Hewlett Packard. Okay, very, very, very good. Let's see if she has something to say. And this is her quote. As we make this crucial change, I am incredibly excited about the opportunity to take our PayPal technology organization to the next level and to the future where innovation knows no bounds, said Deskis. I have every confidence in the dedication, talent, and spirit of our team. Together, we will continue to share the future of digital payments and making a lasting impact on our industry and the lives of our customers. Very, very, very good. And this is the brand new. This is the doozy. This is the big mama right here, the news. But so far, I like what I'm hearing. Let me know in the comments down below. Let me know in the comments down below. Take a moment right now to hit me up with a cup and tell me Do you like all of this new hiring? Do you agree with shaking things up? I personally do, but I want to hear what you guys have to say, especially the people that have been in PayPal a lot longer than me. At the end of the day, whatever we were doing was not working. So whatever we will be doing must be better. By de facto, if whatever we've been doing sucks and does not work, whatever we will do differently must in fact be better than what we were doing, which absolutely sucked. But let me know what you guys think down below. So this is going to be a triple hire. Isabella Cruz appointed as Executive Vice President, Chief People Officer, which is interesting. I don't know what this is, like community? We'll see it down below. Michelle Gill appointed Executive Vice President, General Manager of Small Business and Financial Services. That's what I was talking about right here, that they're kind of breaking down PayPal into the main PayPal business, and then they have a Small Business and Financial Services group, and then you have Diego Scotti appointed as Executive Vice President, General Manager, Consumer Group, and Global Marketing and Communications. So now they have like General Manager of the Consumer Group and General Manager of Small Businesses and Financial Services. Very, very interesting. You know? So let's read a little bit. Isabella Cruz will join PayPal as Chief People Officer effective November 27th. So she's not on the job yet. She will be here in around 10 days. Michelle Gill is joining PayPal as Executive Vice President General Manager for a newly formed Small Business and Financial Services group effective today. That's right. So they are breaking into more businesses. And then Diego Scotti will join PayPal as Executive Vice President General Manager of a newly formed Consumer Group and Global Marketing and Communications Organization effective December 4th. So the announcement is here, but it looks like the newly formed businesses are going to be here since December 4th, and it's started a little bit earlier at the 27th. We are redesigning, this is very important, guys, pay attention. We are redesigning PayPal with our customers at the center and creating an environment that unleashes our team to move with speed and build the best possible products and experiences to meet their needs, said Alex Chris, President and CEO of PayPal. I'm excited to welcome world-class leaders to PayPal who believe in our mission and have the expertise to help scale our global business. This is absolutely freaking massive, guys. This is absolutely freaking massive. They are really switching shit around, man. Positioning for its next phase of growth, Cruz will be accountable for attracting, retaining, and developing talent at PayPal, as well as the company's global real estate strategy. So Cruz is the first person. So a people person is not really community. This is real estate strategy. Interesting. And developing PayPal's talent. Okay. Cruz joins PayPal from Walmart, which is huge, where she was the most recently senior vice president and people leader for Walmart's global technology service and corporate teams, leading talent strategy and people initiatives supporting more than 30,000 associates globally. All right. Before that, she also worked for General Electric. Okay, that's good. I like this. I like this hire. This is the next hire. To establish clear accountability in how PayPal serves end-to-end customers' needs, the company is establishing 3 new business units. So it's not 2, it's 3, aligned with customers it serves. So the 3 businesses is going to be consumer, small business, and large enterprise. Okay. By organizing our teams into defined business units, we focus on what's most important to our customers, leverage the power of our data and platform to deliver and increase speed, and package our innovation in a way that differentiates us in the market. This will position us to drive meaningful growth for the company. Leveraging the power of data. So I'm talking about artificial intelligence here. They were talking about the AI, but not AI like PALANTIR AI that we're talking about, but being able to use the data that we have on people to give them a better experience and approve more products for them. Scotti will be accountable for bringing PayPal's birth and consumer products and the services together in a cohesive, integrated, and seamless consumer experience. Scotti joins PayPal from Verizon, where he was most recently executive vice president, chief marketing officer. So I guess all those really cool Verizon commercials was under him. Under Scotty's leadership, Verizon brought together all areas touching the customer, the brand, and Verizon's reputation, including customer acquisition and loyalty, data, and insights. I really like this. Scotty previously served as CMO at J.Crew and top marketing roles at Vogue and American Express. So Scotty has some style at J.Crew. Finally, Gil will be accountable for bringing together the ecosystem of products and services that help small businesses owners run and grow their business into a unified offering. Gil was previously Senior Vice President at QuickBooks. That makes sense. Intuit QuickBooks. Money Platform at Intuit. Prior to Intuit, Gil was CFO and then Executive Vice President of Consumer Lending Capital Markets at SoFi. Okay. She is credited with bringing together multiple lending businesses under a single umbrella, streamlining engineering and product teams, and re-architecturing the firm's balance sheet. I like the word re-architecturing, or just switching it the fuck up. Make things better. Everything sucked. Just make it better. Wow, that's awesome. Allowing the lending business to grow despite regulatory headwinds. She joined SoFi from Sixth Street Partners and was previously with Goldman Sachs for 14 years. As part of these leadership changes, PayPal veteran Frank Keller has been appointed Senior Vice President, General Manager at PayPal's large enterprise merchant platform, effective immediately. Both Keller and Bimal Patel, the current Senior Vice President, General Counsel, will join the company's senior leadership, reporting to Chris. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Guys, at the end of the day, I cannot tell you if this is going to make a difference or not, but I can tell you that anything they do is better than not doing it. Anything they do today or try to move to the future is better than literally the last 2 years, because they've been sucking eggplant. PayPal has been sucking eggplant for 2 freaking years, and that's it. It's time for them to re-establish themselves and capture the fintech market again. They have all the resources under the sun, and now they have a new leader to be able to utilize those resources. I have a high hope that PayPal can hit triple digits in 2024, hopefully, so I could double, triple, and quadruple up my options, which have absolutely been wrecked. Very important, guys. Let me know down below. Are you a PayPal holder? Are you a PayPal seller? Are you on the sidelines not knowing what to do and thinking about getting in here? And how do you like this whole restructuring? I know we had a lot of information in this video and it's like 25 minutes long, but this is very important. Thank you very much. Everybody enjoy your Friday. Take care.